Dear students, let us see in this video the torque developed by the permanent magnet moving coil. Let Td, that is the refracting torque, Tc is a controlling torque, theta, that is the angle of the deflection, K is the spring constant, B is the width of the coil, L is nothing but the length of the coil or the length or the height of the coil. N is nothing but the number of the turns, I is the current, P is the flux density, and A referred as the area of the coil. The force produced in the coil is given by F is equal to BIL sine of theta. When theta is equal to 90 degree, sine 90 is 1. So F is equal to BIL. If there are n number of the turns, then total force produced by the coil F is equal to N into BIL, where B is flux density, I is current, and L is the length or the height of the coil. The torque produced, torque is nothing but the twisting mechanism around the one axis. So torque produced is equal to force into the perpendicular distance. That torque is equal to, force is replaced by N into BIL, and the perpendicular distance is nothing but the breadth. B stands for the breadth or the width of the coil, B. So L into B is nothing but the total area. So we can write BIN into A. So torque developed is BANI, Bani. You can have your own short forms, Bani, BANI, where B is flux density, which is constant as we are using a permanent magnet. A is the area, that is also constant. N is number of the turns, that are also constant, which is varying. The varying is measurand. Here measurand is current carried by the coil. So Td is directly proportional to current I. So this is a torque equation, torque developed by the PMMC, which is directly proportional to the current flowing in the coil. So what are the advantages of PMMC instrument? Torque is high, power consumption is less, scale is uniform, direct relation, damping is very effective. Since operating field is very strong, the effect of stray field is negligible. Range of instrument can be extended. So what are the disadvantages? Use only for DC, cost is high, error is produced due to the aging effect of the PMMC. Aging effect means due to the continuous use of the permanent magnet, the magnetic susceptibility that gets reduced. Therefore B, magnetic flux density. Then friction and temperature errors are present. So this is all about the PMMC instrument. So in the next class, we'll discuss about the moving iron instrument in the detail. Thank you.